All right, this segment's going to be on training two people at once. I get a lot of that. People want to bring a friend in. So I'm going to show you how to throw punches with two people at once. So Jay's going to throw, what you do, you set him up. Jay's set up to throw a left jab. He's going to throw a left jab. The Judd will throw a right hand. Ready? Let's go. For 15 seconds. All technique, good. In 15 seconds, the buzzer rings. I add a jab, add a right hand. Every 15 seconds, I add a punch. Three of them. Have a win. And then when I do the buzzer rings, I take one away. Two of them. And I really like checking the stance on the right hand. Make sure that left hand's out front. Buzzer rings, one. Then I switch them. The Judd will throw left jabs. One jab, one right hand. Pull that down. Hip and toe. Point the toe. Okay, add one, two. Well, let's hand out. Go. Pull it. Add three. One, two, three. So you get two people once then. Good.